Yeah, student, there are some issues related to the power today, but I think I can able to fix it. Yeah, again, joining like anything. Okay, yeah, you can see here. The thing is that wait, a minute, wait. A minute. Okay, suppose here the example which is given here, you can say, subtract the coordinates from the end point of the from starting point. So what is exactly like this is a crystal beta. So let us say you can see here crystal. One point is 1 comma 3, the other point is 5 comma minus 1. Can you able to see this file? Right? ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది బేట ఏ బి ఈస్ దిస్ starting point is 1 comma 3, ending point is 5 comma minus 1. The difference point should be b minus a, which is going to be 4 comma minus 4, and this is actual point, like we are going into the reciprocal space law, Miller indices point. Is it clear? So you need a initial point, you need a final point. You have to subtract final point to the initial point. You're gonna get 1 point. That is the one of the point. Enclosure square bracket to remove, square bracket and remove commas. Write a negative bar in a bar shape. Suppose you got this is actually HK. HK is the point. Now I want to express direction. So we know that direction. To remove the to express this into the direction, what we have to do? 4 comma 4 4 4 4, right? 4 4 and negative should becomes here bar. Okay. So if both are 4, I should take a common out. So I can write it 4 of 1 comma 1, 1 bar. Okay. If we worried about the direction magnitude, then we can write this. I mean, this is enough. This is h comma k, but 4 it just indicates the parallel plane. Don't worry about 1 comma 1 bar ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో 4 comma 4 bar also same. కాకపోతే they are parallel planes. Okay. So we consider only direction of same direction. ఇది ఏ direction లో అయితే ఉంటుందో 4 comma 4 bar also same direction. Both are same direction. Okay. Then, so next question is, how do we find the magnitude of this vector? This is the h comma k. How do you find the magnitude? Magnitude is simply under root of h square plus k square. H square plus k square. Okay. So in that case, h is also 1, k is also 1. Negative 1 అయినప్పుడు కూడా మనకి it's going to be positive. 1 square minus 1 square, 1 plus 1, which is going to be root 2. అంటే ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో మీకు అర్థం కావాలి ఇక్కడ. అంటే h comma k, how do you represent a point from the plane by giving like a comma b points. So you just need to subtract it from b minus a, you get the h comma k point, which is actually a point. And if you want to write direction, you should express that without comma in a square bracket. You have to keep a bar in order to remove the minus ని తీసేసి bar పెడతాము. I mean, you can also take the common 4 because the one bar has same properties of 4 bar. So if you want to calculate the magnitude, you just need to square up them. Don't square this 4. 4 is nothing, just it's a parallel plane. Okay. Here I would like to show you, it's a very important like 3D representation of Miller indices in cubic lattice. Okay. The length I just mentioned just now, general Miller indices for direction h sometime UVW or HKL beta. You can use any of the representation HKL. You can use anything. Okay, let me So what I'm trying to say you, to represent a Miller indices, you can give the names HKL or UVW. Both are same, doesn't matter. Some books they mention HKL, some books they mention UVW. So if you want to calculate length of that Miller indices, it's just simply square root of U square plus V square plus W square, which is actually, you know that, right? I mean H square plus K square plus L square. Okay. And here three important set of direction related to the cube. And a simple cubic crystal lo manaki em ostayi, ఇవన్నీ కూడా పాయింట్స్. అంటే 001 కానీ 011 కానీ 111, దీస్ ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ, ఇది సెల్ ఎడ్జ్ లో ఉంటుంది అలాంగ్ జెడ్ యాక్సిస్, ఇది ఫేస్ డయాగోనల్ అలాంగ్ వై జెడ్ యాక్సిస్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద డయాగోనల్ కంప్లీట్ ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్ యాక్సిస్ ని కలిపి వచ్చేదేమో థర్డ్ పాయింట్. ఓకే, దట్స్ గుడ్. సో నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ దోస్ పాయింట్స్. క్యూబిక్ క్రిస్టల్లో మనకు ఉన్నాయి కదా, అన్నీ కూడా ఇక్కడ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్, రైట్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వై యాక్సిస్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ జెడ్ యాక్సిస్. కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ స్టూడెంట్స్? స్టూడెంట్స్, కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ? ఎస్, రైట్. సో ఇక్కడ చేశానంటే అలాంగ్ వై యాక్సిస్కి వచ్చే వరకు మనకేమవుతుంది, ఒక వై ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, ఎక్స్ జెడ్ జీరోలు ఉంటాయి, అవునా? సో 010 మీన్స్ అలాంగ్ వై యాక్సిస్, 001 means along z axis, 100 means along x axis. This is clear for all of you, I think, right? Avuna xyz andariki clear kada? Along x axis it should be 100, along y axis yeah, it should be, I think the voice is breaking, I know that there is internet problem here. The power is not available right now, the power is gone, the power issues is here. Power cut is there.
Voice break aitund sir.
Yeah, power cut is there, beta. Just I think we have to wait to few more minutes. But right now I'm using the data, so phone data, so it's kind of like a tough, I know. But give me, I think maybe in few minutes we may get power. I think yeah, I think it should be some issues are there. Yeah, you can see there. How to represent different directions of Miller indices. So x, y, z we know that. How about this plane? This plane is related to the z and x, which means what? X value 1, z value 1. And how about y value? 0. How about this plane? This plane is represented what? And about this plane also. Both are same, right? And here this point lies between the y and x axis. So you have x value 1, y value 1, whereas z is infinity. That means infinity intercept. So we are getting 0 actually. Similarly, if I want to describe this point, it lies between the z and y axis. So z value is 1, y value is 1. X is infinity intercept, so 0 you are getting. So I think it's clear for all of you now how to represent this stuff. Moving into again, I just want to mention here how many points you can able to represent. You can see this is one of the family beta. 10 is a family. You can able to write 100, right? 1 bar like negative x-axis, 010, 01 bar x, 001, 0. So there are 6, 3 into 6. For this family, you have a 12. For this family, you have a 8. So you should remember this. Sometimes they're going to ask in competitive exam, how many coordinates for this family, 100 family, which is 6, 110 family, which is 12, 111 family is 8. Did you note down this point? It's a very important point, beta. So 1001 family basically 6, okay, 6, 110 family 12, 111 family 8. Suppose someone asks you what is the 010 family. So how many this family, tell me? Zero, 1, 0. How many coordinates for this family, tell me? Sir, beta, 100 equal to 010, right? So same like a 6, right? 6 only. Suppose if I have a 101, how about this family? How many numbers, tell me? 12 only.
12.
Is it clear?
12.
అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 100 ఉన్నా
Sir.
010 ఉన్నా 001 ఉన్నా సేమ్. ఇక్కడ ఆల్సో 101 అయినా 110 అయినా 011 అయినా సేమ్. సో యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ దట్. ఓకే, okay, Nana, thank you. Then moving into, okay,
Suppose 000.
000, only one, right? Very good. So only one. Very good question, because it doesn't have any combination, right? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Very good. It's a
Okay, sir.
It's only one port, only one origin, right? Very good, very good. Yeah, you should ask questions like that. Very good. Once you ask questions, you will get some interest stuff. Oh, right. I got it. మీకే అర్థమవుతుంది చెప్తే, అంత పెద్ద కష్టం ఏం కాదు. సో ఇక్కడ కొన్ని మీకు ఇక్కడ ప్లేన్స్ గురించి ఇంకా కొంచెం ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్. అంటే ఇంకా మీరు ఎప్పుడు లైఫ్ లో మర్చిపోకూడదు. మిల్లర్ ఇండిసెస్ అంటే బ్రెయిన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది. సో ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసినారంటే ఇది ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో, ఇలా ఇచ్చాడు 2, 3, 2 అని ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, ఫైండ్ ద ప్లేన్స్ అంటున్నాడు, ఫైండ్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆర్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్షన్, ఫ్యామిలీ వాట్ ఎవర్. సో ఇలాంటి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఫస్ట్ థింక్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈస్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు. లెట్స్ సే దిస్ ఈజ్ x యాక్సిస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ y యాక్సిస్, no, this is b, right? Yes, b, this is b, means y direction. I think they mentioned this is a, actually this is x direction, right? And this is y direction, no, sorry, z direction. Okay, let me clear it. This is y direction, this is z direction, and this is x direction. అలా ఇచ్చాడు. C అంటే z, b అంటే y, a is actually this is a, which is x. So first we have to find intercept points. What are the intercepts here? On the x and the axis, the planar intercepts are, first one is 3a, right? Along the x direction, a is intercept 3a. Along y axis 2b, right? Along z axis 2c. So we wrote this intercept. Is it clear? Then what we have to do, reciprocal number find out chala. This is 3 here, reciprocal how much? 1/3, 2, 1/2, 2, 1/2. This is clear. And Miller indices direction, no, it's a point. First we have to find the point, then direction should be square bracket. So Miller indices point h comma k comma l is how much? So LCM how much here? 6, right? LCM how much? 6. 3 comma 2 comma 6. So when we multiply with the 6 all fraction, you get 233, and Miller direction is 233 square bracket. సో ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక కొంచెం మీరు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇవి మనము డ్రా చేయాలి. అసలు ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తాం అనేది మీరు నాకు చూపియాలి. అందరు లైవ్లోకి రావాలి. అందరూ కూడా ఒకటి ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు అంటే, మీరు పేపర్ మీద డ్రా చేసి నాకు చూపియాలి. అంటే మీరు ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తారో నేను చూస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తా అంటే, నేను ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ యూ ఇన్ ద You can give me 1 second. Let me explain this, then we go for that drawing part. We'll go for drawing part after this. So you guys know this is a 200 plane, right? Students, remember this. 100 200 అన్నప్పుడు మీకు ఐడియా ఏం రావాలి? 100 అంటేనేమో ఒక యూనిట్ తీసుకుంటాం. 200 అంటే 2కి రాదు. ఇట్ షుడ్ గో ఇన్సైడ్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. Okay, is it clear? So 100 is the highest one. Highest one is the maximum. So 200 ante it should be half of this. So you can see these two differences, both are same. 100 and this is, yes, చెప్పనా, tell me. అంటే 200 అన్నప్పుడు మనకి ఏం ఐడియా వస్తుందంటే it should go behind 1 కదా. మనకు ఇది రెసిప్రోకల్కి వెళ్తున్నాం, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. డైరెక్ట్ లాటిస్ నుంచి రెసిప్రోకల్ లాటిస్ లో వీఆర్ డ్రాయింగ్ దిస్ ప్లేన్స్. సో అలాంటప్పుడు 100 అనేది 200 అనేది 100 గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ద 200. సో ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది 100. సో ఇక్కడ ఒకటి చూడండి, 110. సో 110 అంటే ఏంది? ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ మీద 1, వై యాక్సిస్ మీద 1 వస్తుంది. ఆ రెండింటికి ప్యారలల్ ప్లేన్ ప్యారలల్ గా ఉండే ఒక డాట్ పెట్టేసి we have to connect this, then that plane indicates 110. 1110 you already know this. 1 bar అన్నప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి సార్ అనేది క్వశ్చన్. 100 నాకు తెలుసు సార్, బట్ 1 బార్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమైతుందంటే నెగిటివ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ఇది దీని క్వైట్ ఆపోజిట్ ప్లేన్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడేమో ఇట్ సైడ్ వచ్చాము, బార్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనము ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ అయ్యి అక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం బేట. విల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్, డోంట్ వరీ. ఎందుకంటే ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇవి. మనము అట్లీస్ట్ డ్రాయింగ్ మనకు మిల్లర్ ఇండిసెస్ వచ్చినాయి అంటే షుడ్ బి రియలీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఎ లాట్. మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే బోర్డ్కి వెళ్దాము ల్యూమ్లో. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు సీ ఇట్. సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ యాక్చువల్గా ఏంది? x1 y1, రైట్? సో 110 ప్లేన్ ఇది. 110 ప్లేన్ రివర్స్ లో చూడండి. ఇది మిల్లర్ ఇండిసెస్, రిడక్షన్ 110 అని రెసిప్రోకల్, ఫైనల్ గా వచ్చేది 110. ఇది ఇన్ఫినిటీ. 1 ఇన్ఫినిటీ అంటే x యాక్సిస్ మీద ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ 1, y యాక్సిస్ పైన ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ 1, z యాక్సిస్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ఫినిటీ. Similarly, another example of 200, you can clearly see here what is the difference here. So 2 means it becomes half. See intercept. When it's 2, it becomes half. When it's 4, it becomes 1/4. So that is the reason it goes inside part. Okay, reverse la gurtunchukochu, forward ila meeku idea unte you never forget it. Okay, so I think what we can do, ఇవన్నీ అవసరం లేదు. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే డీస్పేసింగ్ బెటర్. యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ దిస్. దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్. యూ గోనా హ్యావ్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ దిస్, 8 మార్క్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఒక క్రిస్టల్ ఉంది కదా, క్రిస్టల్లో ఆటమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ లైక్ దిస్. దే అలైన్ ఇన్ ఏ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ ఆర్డర్, ఒక ఆర్డర్గా ఉంటాయి అన్ని. What is the distance between the each atom? What is the distance between the atom to atom? I want to find this distance between d-spacing anta. We call it as a d-spacing anta. The formula should be for cubic crystals. For cubic crystal is, what is the condition? A is equal to B is equal to C, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to, what is this angle? 90 degrees. For this kind of crystals, ante BCC, simple cubic, phase center, all these type of questions, we have this formula, d spacing formula, d h comma kl. Note down this formula. d spacing antar beta. d spacing ante distance between atom. d spacing between the atom is given by a by root of h square plus k square plus l square. Suppose నాకు ఇది కూడా గుర్తుంచుకోండి బేటా, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 అవుతుంది. ఇదేది క్యూబిక్ క్రిస్టల్స్ కి, ఎందుకంటే దే ఆల్ సేమ్ రైట్. ఆల్ఫా is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to alpha. So for cubic crystals, simply this is going to be, oh, come on, wait, get ready for the practice, Nana. Last after this we're gonna go practice, right? Did you take attendance? We have to go for attendance. I think it seems like only 18 members, very same. I feel like so bad. You should go at least, minimum, 30 students I was expecting. 30 to 40 students. Please tell your friends, tomorrow I'm not going to take class. If you have to promise me that you're going to tell and bring the students minimum 30 to 40. So until and unless if you bring the students, I cannot take class. Please inform them, ask them to attend at least one class tomorrow. Okay, so then I'll take the motivation, then what is the problem, and I'll ask them. Okay, సో ముందే పెడతాను స్కెడ్యూల్, రేపు మాట్లాడతాం. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒకటినా 10110కి డి స్పేసింగ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ ద డి స్పేసింగ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్లేన్. హౌ కెన్ ఐ ఫైండ్, టెల్ మీ. డి స్పేసింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమన్నా, డిహెచ్ కామా కే కామా ఎల్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? ఏ బై, బ్రెయిన్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి ఈ ఫార్ములా, హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ఇన్ ద బ్రెయిన్. ఓకే, హెచ్ స్క్వేర్ plus k square plus L square. Okay, now tell me. So A by, A is we don't know, right? A by, okay, what is the H value beta? This is H value, this is K value, this is L value. So root of 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 0 0. So answer is how much? A by how much beta? A by root 2. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
1 1 వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 1 1 1. How much, tell me? Anybody want to answer it, please?
A by root 3, sir.
Root 3. A by root 3. Very good. How about 1 0 0?
Root 1, sir. Answer.
Very good. Very good. A అనొచ్చు.
A by root 1,
A
sir.
అనండి. If they give A value, you can
A.
give A value, you can say A. Okay, very good, very good. That's clear. That's very fantastic. What I want to do now, I think you guys understand this. I'm not going to tell. The importance of the Miller indices is lot of applications there, beta. The material science is important to have the notation of the system, atomic planes, since planes are influence optical properties gani. మనకు లైట్ మీద దాని మీద మెటీరియల్ మీద పడితే ఏమవుతుంది, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, reactivity, what is the reactivity, okay, and what is the surface tension, what are the dislocation. Suppose gold, you went to the goldsmith and asked them to make some ornaments, so there are some defects inside which you don't know. So these techniques helps the where the defects are there. ఒకవేళ మెటీరియల్ లో డిఫెక్ట్స్ ఉంటే దీస్ మిల్లర్ ఇండిసెస్ హెల్ప్స్ ఎ లాట్. ఏ ప్లేన్ లో డిఫెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయనేది మనము with the help of Miller indices we can able to find the defects in the material. Okay, so then, okay, so now we have to stop this and go for the board. We'll go for the board. Okay, this is the board. Everybody can get ready with notebooks. I want to draw 1 0 0 plane. This is I want to draw 1 0 0 plane beta. So can you have to show me, okay, this one I wanna see you. Okay, first I will draw one, then you have to show me. So what I want to do, I want to make square first. First you draw the square. Oh, right. So for me, this is x-axis I'm saying. For me, this is y, this is z. Tell me 100 plane. Where should exist? Anybody want to tell? Can you show me with your pointer on the board? Who want to tell? It's very easy, beta. What is a so this is a plane, right? So we have to go back 100 inverse. So how we got this one? 1 by 1, 1 by infinity, 1 by 0, 1 by 0, right? We have to go back. 1 by 1 is 1, this is infinity, and this is infinity, right? This is our intercept of the xyz axis, right? Correct? So only have to keep a dot on the x-axis, and these are infinity. X, y-axis, z-axis are infinity. So you can think about only this plane, only this plane. So this is the okay. Is it clear? Can I want to show you one more thing. 1, 1, 0. This is the another Miller indices which I want to show you. So let me draw again. Can you can also follow me. Don't sit and watch the video. Please take the attendance, Anil. Did you take? Yeah? Anil is not there today. Naveen or Anil? Did you take attendance? Anyone?
Sir, taken, sir.
Oh, great.
Already.
Thank you, better. Thank you. You have to take attendance and what is the strength today? 22 or 20?
20. 20.
Okay. I'm going to display. I mean, others tell them they are not going to write exams if they don't show up. So I want to post this all results to the university website. Okay. So let me show the. So again, I'm gonna go for different colors now. 1. So I wanna again back 110. You have to. This is h comma k l plane direction. I want to inverse them 1 by 1, 1 by 1. 1 by 0, and the next one is 1 1 infinity. So z is infinity, y is 1, x is 1, comma intercepts. So I can also say a infinity. You can also tell like this, it doesn't matter. So along x-axis, if I keep this is my x-axis, y, z-axis. Now I have to draw. Now I have to draw. 1 is x-axis, which is my this. Y also 1. Z is infinity, right? So you can draw this like this. Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah.
1 0. Okay?
Okay.
So can you able to show me next class all other planes? Like I'm gonna show me the other planes. 1 1 1. Okay? This is the homework. 0 1 0. Okay? 1 0 1. Okay. 0, 0, 1. So these four you have to show me next class. Okay, you draw them